Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another video for you guys, and today I am doing a what's in my travel bag, or like pack my carry-on luggage with me. I am going to Japan and Korea soon, so definitely get excited for some vlog content, but I kind of wanted to show you guys like the things that I bring with me, or the things that I like to pack whenever I travel. I'm actually leaving for the airport tonight, so I need to rush through this, and I'm also hoping that this video helps me like make sure I have everything that I need. But before we get started, I wanted to quickly shout out today's sponsors. Thank you to Tokyo Treats and Sakura Co for sponsoring today's video. I am so excited because of course these are the April boxes, which are Sakura cherry blossom themed, and I absolutely adore cherry blossoms and Sakura. If you know me, that is why I am so excited to be going to Japan and Korea, because I cannot wait. I really want to see the cherry blossoms in peak bloom. Last year I missed them, so I'm really hoping this year I'll be able to catch the beautiful cherry blossoms. And of course, Tokyo Treats is a fun and exclusive Japanese snack box filled with limited edition Kit Kats, unique flavored chips, seasonal items, and occasionally sometimes like sodas that are only available in Japan for a limited time. I'm so excited because I'm actually obsessed with this month's box. It's so beautiful. I love the mood. It's giving like city pop vibes. Obsessed. And of course it's called Sakura Night Snack Fest. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I cannot wait to rummage through this box. I'm literally so excited. Oh my god, matcha Kit Kat Star. This is like one of the best Kit Kat flavors, of course, but I cannot wait to try all these things. I cannot wait to experience cherry blossom season in peak bloom, hopefully, but this is just making me so excited. I really cannot wait. Oh my gosh, so cute. And of course Sakura Co is also cherry blossom themed, as we can tell by this beautiful packaging. Sakura Co is a monthly artisan Japanese snack box that work with local snack makers. Each box comes with 20 traditional authentic artisan Japanese snacks, including Japanese tea and a traditional tableware item, which I look forward to every month. Oh my gosh, is this not so beautiful? Where is this? Moonlit Sakura. I love that this one's like kind of night themed, both of them. It's super cute. This is so beautiful. They work with like local snack makers all across Japan, and they bring the most like unique types of treats that you wouldn't really know to look for. I feel like sometimes even when I travel to Japan, it's really hard to like kind of know what I want or even know what I'm looking for. So I love that Sakura Co and Tokyo Treats like curate the best snacks for like each season. I'm so excited. I kind of love that everything is like pink and cute. It's such a vibe. I cannot wait. And of course, if you want to pick up your own box today, definitely feel free to use my discount code ARENA, or click the link down in the bio for $5 off your first purchase. But let's get on to the rest of the video. I'm actually heading to the airport like right after this, so I need to hurry up and pack my bags, and I'm gonna use this to like also kind of make sure that I have everything that I need. But I have two bags. I have one that I like to keep on me at all times, and then just like my carry-on bag that I throw into the like overhead area. So this is the bag that I'm bringing with me to Japan and Korea. It has some cute little crybaby cherries on it, and a claw clip in case I need, and a little bow charm. But the first thing that we need to pack, which is obviously the most important, is my passport. So I just have my Australian passport that I'm gonna pop in there. I have my wallet. I always just carry like a little pouch with me, and it has my card, my travel card, and my like my tapping card. So I'm gonna pop that in there too. And I also have a little bag of Australian dollars for conversion. I always like to carry like cough lollies with me, because you just never know like when your throat's gonna get dry or you just need something to like suck on. So I have these ones, and I also have these Himalayan salt ones. My dad really likes these, so he got me a pack. This is my glasses case. It's a little Vivienne Westwood one, but my glasses are like the cute Burberry glasses, but the case for this was too chunky, so I just like to keep them in here. I always need my glasses on me, so this definitely has to go on my like carrying on me bag. Very important. I also have a pen, because you have to fill out so many random forms while you're at the airport, so I'm gonna pop this in here too just in case. I have my AirPods. I also have Headphones, I don't know if I want to keep these in my like this bag or my bigger carry-on bag, so I'm gonna leave these aside for now. But I do have my Sony headphones and then my AirPods. These ones are small, so these will fit perfectly in here. I have a little pouch that I like to keep like all my kind of makeup essentials. So there's like lip balm, perfume, powder, blush and concealer. I go a little bit more in depth in this bag in my what's in my bag video if you want to have a look. But I'm just gonna quickly rush through this because I have a whole nother bag that I need to pack as well. And this one also has like a cute little comb that I like to keep on it, just in case like you need to freshen up sometimes. I like to carry this with me on the plane because sometimes I do like reapply makeup when I land. I do also have a little bottle of hand sanitizer. You always need to make sure you have some hand sanitizer on you, just because like I feel like there's a lot of germs on planes and airports. I also have a little hand cream. I would ideally like to keep this in my little pouch, but it doesn't really fit, so I just have this floating around in my bag. I of course carry my camera. I have the Digi camera, but I'm using it to film at the moment, so this is just the case that I keep it in when I travel. I have a little lip balm. This was just like free flowing in my bag, but I'm just gonna pop that in there. And I have a little hair powder. I love this stuff. It saved me so many times whenever my hair looks greasy, and I feel like it works really well. It's from Japan, but I love this. I'm gonna just pop this in my bag too. I also carry around a little pouch. So this is a really cute Purine pouch. This one kind of has like all of my camera accessories. So I have a little light and then a little tripod that goes on my Digi. This one is a battery, like an extra battery for my Digi camera. And then also like this is for the tripod. If I want to use my phone instead of my camera, I can use this. So they're kind of just like little camera accessories, but I just carry them in my bag as well, just because you never know when you're gonna need it. But pretty much that's everything that goes in my like crossbody bag. And the next item that I have is my carry-on bag. This one's kind of the things that I don't need on me. This bag I like to keep under the seat in front of me for like easy access, but this one can go on the overhead, so it has things that I don't want to lose, but I don't have to have it on like my immediate person. So like in case anything ever happens with like luggage, I just like to have these things on me in case. I have a little laundry bag and it just has like my underwear and socks, just because if anything did happen, I feel like these are kind of like essentials that you might need. So I like to carry them on my carry-on. I also bring a jacket with me in case I ever get cold on the plane. So I'm gonna pop this in here. This is like a fleece Uniqlo one. It's so warm and it's not it doesn't take up too much space, which I really like. So I'm gonna shove this into this bag as well. I also carry all of my actually I should probably put my laptop in there because my laptop does take quite a lot of space. I have the MacBook Air. My laptop is really old. It's really cute though. Look at the stickers. Cardcaptor Sakura sticker, and then the wings. It's dirty. Let's ignore that. But I'm just gonna keep it in this little Kiki K case. Fits my laptop perfectly, so I like to keep it in here. And I'm just gonna pop this into my bag as well. And I also have like this little bag that I put all my cords in, just because you don't want to lose your cords if anything happens, like all your electronics. So I keep like my laptop charger in here, my like extension cables, my camera chargers, and like my phone charger, all of my wires and things that I don't want to lose, I just keep in here. And I keep this all in my carry-on. This little bag is from Uniqlo and I'm a little bit obsessed with it. I think it was like one of those bags when you spent over a certain amount they gave it to you, and it's just like so perfect. I love it. I'm gonna pop this into my bag as well. I also like to carry my my jewelry with me. So I have all of my jewelry in this little pouch here that I keep with me because I don't want to lose it. And I also have like hair accessories. This I might throw into my luggage because I don't think I need to carry it on me. If this bag gets too full, I might just throw this into my check-in because it's just like full of hair accessories. I don't think it's too important, so I'll see how I go. I do also carry a little bag. This one I got from Daiso in Korea. It's perfect. It's like a little reusable bag. I just love having this because whenever I go shopping overseas, if I once like I throw everything out like in the apartment or hotel, I can just use this bag for shopping, so it's perfect for that. But I just keep like my skincare kind of in here, like travel skincare that I want to have on me, because sometimes when I'm at the airport, if I have a really long layover or like I'm flying overnight, I might do my skincare. So it has wet wipes. This one's like face and body wipes, which is perfect. My toothbrush in case I want to brush my teeth at the airport. I have like these dental floss things, mint menthol floss pick cure things. These are useful. Nasal spray, because sometimes I do be getting congested. I have like all my contact stuff, so this is for contacts. I don't really wear contacts recently, but I got some, so I'm gonna just bring it with me in case I don't want to wear my glasses when I'm like out and about traveling. And I have like medicine, so Panadol, Telefast, like stuff like reflux medicine, because I do get really bad reflux sometimes. I just keep it all in this little pouch. And I just have my tongue scraper, because you never know, you might need that. I have a whole, like my skincare. I packed most of my skincare in this little travel container, which is perfect. I have like oil cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and serum. I need a cleanser, but I popped it in I only have a really big cleanser, so I popped it in my check-in. So that's not in this, but if I'm at the airport, I'll probably just like oil cleanse and then use a wet wipe. It's micellar water, so it's not too bad if you leave it on your skin, I guess. But I have that. I have a little Ziploc bag of cotton tips in case, like you never know. And I just have a whole bunch of lip glosses in here. I probably shouldn't bring all of them. I have 2 Dior lipsticks, so I might take one of those out. I have another Dior lipstick, but this one's different, so I might keep that. I have a little stain remover that I got in Japan, which is really cute, so I carry that with me. And I also have a little perfume. This actually has the Super Milk from Lush in it, because I love that perfume, so I actually carry it in this. I might refill it a bit before I go, just because I'm gone for a month and that needs to last me a month, because that perfume, that hair conditioner smells so good, so I always just like to wear it. But that's pretty much everything in my travel bags. Let me quickly pack this up because I cannot miss anything. I have a little bag of wet wipes, like what's it called, disinfectant wipes, because I don't want to carry the whole thing, so I just put it in a little Ziploc bag. And sometimes when I'm at the airport, it's like feels gross, so I wipe down the area that I'm sitting in. And I also have Hydrolyte, because when you travel you need to stay hydrated. So I'm just gonna pop all these back in my little bag, and hopefully I don't forget anything. But those are all my carry-on travel items. Thank you for packing with me. I hope I didn't forget anything, because I'm gonna be really upset if I do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course if you want to support me and my channel, definitely feel free to check out Tokyo Treats down in the description below.